Hi Trumpets, welcome back. In today's video, we're on Accent Book 2, page number 5. This is the last of our Accent on Review pages. In today's page, in the upper left-hand corner, we're reviewing the high note D on the fourth line. That uses our first valve. We're also reviewing our E flat, second and third valve. E flat lives on the first line of the treble clef. Also, in the center of the page, we've got more syncopation. This syncopation pattern, eighth note, quarter note, eighth note, is very common, and we'll see it a lot, especially in page 6. We've got a key signature with two flats, B flat and E flat. That's the key of B flat major. Underneath that, we've got a time signature with the letter C. That stands for common time, or 4/4. Below that, we've got DC, da capo al fine, which means go back to the very beginning, and DS, dal segno al fine, which means go back to a sign and then play to fine. Last but not least, we've got crescendo and decrescendo to gradually get louder and to gradually get softer, and the tempo marking largo, meaning very slow. We're going to use that tempo marking for our first exercise, number 12, all through the night. I've got my metronome set at 70. While that's not largo, it's a good tempo to practice this one at. We're going to start at the very beginning and play all the way to the end of the first line. There we'll DC al fine, which means we'll go back to the beginning and play halfway through to where it says fine. Here we go, join me. And 1, 2, ready, and. Beginning, go. Did you follow along? Great if you did. Our next piece is an American folk song in duet form. This is Old Dan Tucker. And it starts with our syncopation pattern, eighth, quarter, eighth. Bum, 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 ba. I'll start by playing line A. You can join me, or you could try line B. This piece uses B natural. And 1, 2, beginning, go. How did you do? Did you catch the roadmap? Did you catch that at the end of the first line, we needed to go back and play measure 3 and 4 again because of the DS? Great. I'll play part B. You can join me or play part A as the duet. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, set, go. And there it is, Old Dan Tucker. Another American folk song is number 14, The Erie Canal. The Erie Canal uses the two flats in our key signature, B flat and E flat. This piece also has a first and second ending and a pickup note. So I'll count you in by saying 1, 2, 3, and then we'll play our pickup note where beat 4 should go. Here we go, B flats. 1, 2, 3. That piece also used our high note review, the D, first valve, and D is on the 4th line. Our last piece is a song that I really enjoy, America the Beautiful. This piece has a special moment in the 3rd full measure that I want to make sure I point out before we start playing. If you look at measure 3, the full measure 3, the one that has all 4 quarter notes in it, it starts with an E note. If you've guessed that we need to play E flat, you would be correct. That's a common mistake. Often, a trumpeter would play the E natural. In this case, it's actually E flat, 2nd and 3rd. All right, let's give it a try. America the Beautiful. 1, 2, and 1. Ready, go. And there you have it, America the Beautiful. So I hope that you enjoyed this. Remember, at any time, you can pause and practice, then rewind and review any of these exercises. And I hope you'll choose to do so, not just play it straight through with me. Really work to make progress on your trumpet. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.